नदगावा वहाँ से नहीं है रास्ता?
वो रोड गया पक्का। तो गलत आ गया, फिर से बैक में जाइए।
Hey guys, I'm Nilanjana and welcome to Travel Food and Talk and आज हम लोग जा रहे हैं एक बहुत ही सुंदर लैंडस्केप में। I'm sure all of you have heard about the beautiful Chambal Ghati. It's the Bihar, the Badland, the land of the Baghis, and we have taken a 4 to 5 hour drive from Noida to come all the way here and spend our weekend here, and the drive was fun and now we're going for a boat safari. And on the driver's seat is Suman.
What's up?
And that's my sister.
Hi.
And that's my husband. And that's a small town somewhere in Uttar Pradesh.
Gotta strike this chord with the humble hearts, bearing heavy chains and blue collar scars. Inevitably they're gonna get their way. If it don't take that fight, take it to the grave. You're trying to walk with the
like this ravine area is increasing and at least lakh kilometer or lakh hectare ऐसा तो कुछ तो figure था, which is under this badland area. This landscape I got to know only when I was going for Sweetie Didi's brother's wedding. So boat was driving and I was like, what is this? Oh my god, and I couldn't believe my eyes. I was like, oh my god, this is so pretty. Then I looked it up.
और ये राजस्थान से भी जुड़ता है ना आसपास?
Yeah, so there are 3 states which are bordering ना, MP, Rajasthan and
इसे हम नदी को जाएंगे ना, नदी के एक तरफ मध्य प्रदेश है, एक तरफ है।
रिवर्स मार फिर निकाल लेगा। रिवर्स मार और फिर चल टेढ़ा करके थोड़ा सा टायर को। पैटी रिवर्स मार और टायर को थोड़ा टेढ़ा कर। अब आगे चलना, टेढ़ा करके चलना टायर को थोड़ा। I'm a roadie.
जिंदगी का कांटा निकालना तो तुमसे सीखेंगे।
God, yeah, what is with the both of you, man?
Oh God, someone shoot me.
इसीलिए यहाँ पे क्रिमिनल्स ज्यादा होते होंगे ना पहले।
क्रिमिनल्स यहाँ पे ज्यादा इसलिए थे बिकॉज ये it is easy to escape through this. Catching bandits was very tough because अंदर गुफा में भाग जाते थे वो लोग। क्या ये मुझे तो बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है यार, ये so pretty man.
That's okay.
So now we've reached the Nandgawa where we are going to take a boat trip and the boat is waiting for us there. I just quickly wanted to come here and share a very fun mythological trivia about the Chambal Ghati. It is said that the game of dice or the game of Mahabharata where the Pandavas bet Draupadi was played right next to the Chambal River, and then Draupadi cursed the Chambal River for being a mute spectator to her being bet away by her husbands, and that's why she cursed this area. Hello everybody! This is amazing! Look at our boat! It's so fancy!
Animal, gonna bite your flesh when I jump your bones. If I smell your scent, I could lose control. Don't let me hurt ya. Animal, gonna bite your flesh when I jump your bones. If I smell your scent, I could lose control. Don't let me hurt ya.
No sugar. Hey guys, so we are currently on the Chambal boat safari and we have just taken our chai break, and it is such a mesmerizing sight around this area. It just doesn't feel like we are a few hours drive away from Delhi. Although the air quality here is also not the best, but definitely the smog is adding to the entire beauty of the landscape. And we've spotted dolphins so far, the Gangetic dolphins. We've spotted some gharial and some crocodiles and some really wide variety of migratory birds. So yes, the experience so far has been absolutely amazing. So we're going to go back to the property after this boat tour is over, and I'm going to be showing you around the property, and tomorrow we'll drive around the area to experience the Badlands. And yes, I'm going to enjoy my tea now. That bhaiya is Shobaram bhaiya, who is maneuvering the boat. That is the naturalist with us, Mr. Gajender. That's Patty, you've already met him. That's Nidhi, and that's Subodh. So we are having our nice cup of chai right here, and the boat is shaking with me. Oh my god, that's a little scary, but can you believe chai with this beautiful view? So guys, the ravine area, the Chambal Ghati, essentially is very famous because of all the Baghis who used to rule this area, and by Baghis were more commonly called the bandits, and they were part of this badland because it was very difficult to trace them. But 2007 was the last encounter when the last Baghi was either shot dead or surrendered. I'm not really sure. We should have Gajendra Bhai and Shobaram tell us a bit about the area and the story of the Baghis, because apparently Mr. Shobaram actually helped cross a couple of bandits back in the day. I'm sure that they have some very interesting stories up their sleeves. So let's try and see if they have anything interesting to tell us. वो अच्छे लोगों को तंग करते थे? नहीं। तो वो किसको, मतलब फिर डकैती कहाँ मारते थे वो
ऐसा है कि बड़े बड़े लोगों से ऐसा हमने कह दिया कि वो जमींदार हैं, ये पैसे वाले हैं, इनके घर से वालों का है, इसके बच्चे को या भतीजे को किसी को भी उठा ले आते थे, वोट डाल देते। तो ये नाम प्रताप उन्होंने पता भेज दिया कि इस नंबर वालों का है, पति पे इस जगह आ जाओ और इतना पैसा दे जाओ अपने बच्चे।
और वो पैसे क्या करते क्या थे?
गांव को पब्लिक को बांट देते थे।
पब्लिक को बांट देते थे,
अपने परिवार के लिए ले जाते, परिवार को सेव करते।
कुछ परिवारों को दे देते थे और वालों का है ऐसे किसी के गरीब लोग हैं उनकी शादियों में, लड़की की शादियों में वो पैसा दे देते।
अच्छा आप बताइए गजेंद्र जी, इस एरिया के बारे में बेस्ट टाइम ऑफ द ईयर क्या है यहाँ पे आने का? अगर
अक्टूबर टू अप्रैल।
अक्टूबर टू अप्रैल, पर अक्टूबर में तो अभी स्मॉग के कारण इतना फॉगी हो गया है।
ये तो कुछ दिन रहेगा, नेचुरली साफ हो जाएगा बेस्ट अगेन।
15 दिन 20 दिन रहेगा,
पर मोस्टली वन वीक के अंदर ये क्लियर हो जाएगा सारे जो फॉग वगैरह है। और
तो यहाँ पे आप क्या क्या देखते हैं, मतलब कौन कौन सी ऐसे जानवर देखते हैं जो अक्सर?
यहाँ पे जो चंबल रिवर से इट्स क्वाइट फेमस फूड, द मार्स क्रोकोडाइल and long snout gharials and turtles, Ganges river dolphin, and the lots of birds. They are migratory birds, passage migratory birds, and one bird is quite famous, which is we call Indian skimmer, which is as soon as possible their arrival in Chambal. And Indian skimmer also the breed in Chambal.
अच्छा।
So we waiting for the Indian skimmer. We have seen one Indian skimmer about 25 days before, the juvenile skimmer, but they gone back. He came for recce. Let's see when he come back
अच्छा।
with the group.
और Gangetic
River dolphins, yeah, which is unique species. And also
तो ये Gangetic river dolphins गंगा छोड़ के चंबल कैसे आ जाती हैं?
actually you know, about if you go to the long time back, so all the rivers are clean and all the rivers like joined to each other. So that time, I mean, all the rivers have a movement of the Ganges river dolphins, and then those big cities are settled on the bank of like the Yamuna. So and they make like a dirty the Yamuna, the cities, and then Chambal is part is left and clean. So the dolphin left in Chambal and Ganges river dolphin left in Ganges. But
तो ये अभी जो हम लोगों ने डॉल्फिन्स देखी वो यहीं रहती हैं कि चली जाती हैं यहाँ से?
always they here.
अच्छा, they are in this river only?
Always.
अच्छा, okay.
And Ganges river dolphin we can see also other rivers like the Ganga, Brahmaputra, and some small rivers they have dolphins.
Oh wow, okay. Whoa. पेट्रोल से? Baby, how was your experience?
I think it was really good. So before I hit like this whole area of Patches with Ravines, I was like, why has my sister got me to a village? I'm so excited about it. Till I actually hit the Ravine area, which itself is a beauty, which I'm looking forward to explore. But when we got into the water and on the boat ride, and you saw all these animals up close, and the different kind of birds, which was no idea we even had in India, or they even migrate, and in such quantum. But it's gorgeous. It's just absolutely lovely. It's so peaceful, calm and serene. It's a lovely place to come to, and I can't believe it's just so close to Delhi. Like, it took us 4.5 hours from Noida to reach here.
Yeah. So guys, we just got done with our boat ride, and oh my god, what an amazing experience. So apparently the Chambal River is a 900 kilometer long river, out of which 400 kilometer is a declared sanctuary, and it is an absolute gorgeous wildlife hub. And if you're a birder, you will love this place, because in the migratory season, which is November to March, there are all sorts of birds which come here flying from Europe. They are so cute. And yes, just the serene and the quiet of this area is gorgeous.
Gotta strike this chord with the humble hearts. I'm bearing heavy chains and blue collar scars.